everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy Tutorials with Narelle. In our last video, we discussed what social media is and why it's important. Today, we're diving into the different types of social media platforms that you can explore. Understanding these categories will help you choose the right platforms to fit your personal or professional needs. Let's get started. First up, we have social networking sites. These platforms are designed for users to connect with family, friends, and like-minded individuals, to share content and build communities. Two of these favorite sites are Facebook and LinkedIn. Facebook allows you to create a personal profile, share updates, photos, videos, and join groups and even host events. It's a great way to stay in touch with friends and even discover new interests. LinkedIn, on the other hand, is focused on professional networking. It's a platform where you can showcase your work experience, connect with colleagues, and even search for new opportunities. If you're looking to build your career, LinkedIn is essential. Next, we have video sharing platforms. These sites are about visual sharing content, allowing users to share images and videos. Some popular examples of these platforms are TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Instagram is primarily focused on showing photos and videos. It's a fantastic platform for personal branding and showcasing your creativity and connecting with others through visual storytelling. TikTok has taken the world by storm with its short-form videos. It's all about creativity and trends, where users can create fun, engaging content set to music. So if you're looking for a platform to express your creativity and connect with a younger audience, then TikTok is what you're looking for. YouTube is the largest video sharing platform out there. It allows users to upload, share, and discover videos on virtually any topic. Whether you're into vlogging, tutorials like me, or educational content. YouTube is a powerful platform that reaches a very wide audience. Now, let's talk about microblogging. This type of social media platform is all about sharing short updates and content quickly. The most notable example of this platform is Twitter. On Twitter, users post short messages called tweets. These messages can include text images and links. It's a great platform for real-time news updates and sharing thoughts and engaging in conversations. If you want to stay updated on friends or connect with thought leaders, then Twitter is the platform that you're looking for. Next up, we have discussion forums. These platforms encourage users to engage in discussions and conversations about various topics. A prime example of this platform is Reddit. Reddit consists of many communities known as subreddits. Here, users can post content, ask questions, and share experiences on specific interests. It's a treasure trove of information and insights. This is perfect for those who love engaging in discussions and learning from others. Lastly, let's revisit professional networks. Well, we touched on LinkedIn earlier. It really is worth emphasizing its importance. LinkedIn is specifically designed for the professional community. It's not just for job searching, it's also about building your professional identity, networking with others in your industry, and sharing your expertise through articles and updates. So if you're serious about your career, maintaining an active presence on LinkedIn is crucial. So there you have it. These are the main types of social media platforms that you can explore. Each one serves a unique purpose and audience, so it is essential to choose the one that works best for you, one that align with your goals and interests, whether they are personal or professional. In our next tutorial, we'll dive deeper into the benefits of using social media and how we can make the most of these social media platforms. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and like it and subscribe to Tech Savvy Tutorials with Narelle and support my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any new tutorials that are coming up. This is video 2 of my series. Thanks for watching, my friends. Have a wonderful day. We'll talk soon.